They were in shock, you know what I mean? Because he knew it could have been all over for them.
One more second on the gas likely was the difference between life and death for an elderly couple driving on West Street in Wilmington this afternoon.
I thought somebody was dead originally.
The hood got crushed, windshield didn't break. They were very, very lucky.
Police say the couple walked away uninjured, despite the car taking a direct hit from a massive oak that also knocked out power to the neighborhood.
And then the wind just picked up, and then it just came crashing down.
Thank God he actually had it trimmed a little bit, because or else it could have been even more damage.
Today's damage also extending to Lowell, with a massive tree falling on power lines on Pine Street and another slamming into this home on Pawtucket Boulevard.
I'm in a state of shock.
The tree crashing into a bed Vipin Agarwal was supposed to be sleeping in, but thankfully was empty after Vipin decided to go shopping with his brother at the last minute.
But I'm 100% sure, had I been in this room, I would have been dead. So I am very grateful to God that my life is saved.
Now, along with these trees, there's also a lot of downed power lines tonight. You should always assume that a downed power line is a live power line. Live in Lowell, Matt Reed, WCVB News Center 5.